Welcome back to Crypto News Daily. Today, we've got explosive news shaking up the crypto world. The U.S. Supreme Court just made a landmark decision that could turn the tide in Ripple's epic battle with the SEC. This game-changing ruling might not only boost Ripple, XRP, but also revolutionize how cryptocurrencies are regulated. Curious about how this could skyrocket XRP's future and impact the entire crypto market? Stick around, because we've got all the details coming right up. Don't miss out, this is big. Imagine being in a 2-year legal battle, fighting for your company's future. Ripple has been embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC since December 2020. The SEC claims that Ripple's XRP token is a security, subjecting it to stringent regulations. Ripple, however, insists that XRP should be considered a digital currency, not a security. This legal battle has significant implications for Ripple's operations and the broader crypto market. The lawsuit has been a major cloud hanging over Ripple, affecting its business relationships, partnerships, and even its market perception. Many in the crypto community have been watching this case closely, as its outcome could set a precedent for how other cryptocurrencies are treated under U.S. law. Ripple's defense has emphasized that XRP is a decentralized digital asset, similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have not been classified as securities. The company argues that its activities do not constitute an investment contract, a key element in the SEC's claim. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and co-founder Chris Larsen have also been personally named in the lawsuit, adding to the stakes involved. Stay tuned to see how a recent Supreme Court ruling could change everything for Ripple. What if a single court decision could change the rules of the game? The U.S. Supreme Court has abolished the Chevron deference doctrine. This doctrine allowed federal agencies like the SEC to interpret ambiguous laws with considerable authority. With its removal, judges now have greater power to independently interpret regulatory statutes, reducing the influence of agency interpretations. This means that the courts can no longer simply rely on the SEC's expertise in matters of interpreting securities laws. Instead, they will need to undertake their own independent analyses. This change could make it more difficult for the SEC to pursue enforcement actions based on its own regulatory interpretations. The Chevron deference, established in 1984, has been a cornerstone of administrative law, enabling agencies to interpret and implement laws within their expertise. However, critics have argued that it grants too much power to unelected officials and leads to regulatory overreach. By removing this doctrine, the Supreme Court is signaling a shift towards more judicial oversight and scrutiny of agency decisions. Find out how this decision could tilt the scales in Ripple's favor. Could this ruling be Ripple's ace in the hole? The end of Chevron deference could be a game-changer for Ripple. Without this doctrine, the SEC's stance that XRP is a security might hold less weight in court. Judges will now independently assess XRP's status, which could work in Ripple's favor. A favorable ruling could dismiss the SEC's lawsuit and set a precedent for the crypto industry. This could lead to more predictable and fair outcomes in legal disputes involving cryptocurrencies. Ripple's defense can now argue more effectively that XRP should not be classified as a security, relying on the court's independent judgment rather than the SEC's interpretation. This development may encourage Ripple to present more robust arguments about the functionality and use cases of XRP, highlighting its role in cross-border payments and as a bridge currency in the crypto ecosystem. The company might also bring forward expert testimonies and market analyses to support its claims. The outcome of this case could redefine cryptocurrency regulations. Implications for the crypto market. What does this mean for the future of cryptocurrencies? The entire crypto market is keenly observing Ripple's case. A win for Ripple could lead to less stringent regulatory oversight for other cryptocurrencies. This might benefit companies like Coinbase, which are also under SEC scrutiny, potentially easing their regulatory challenges. If Ripple succeeds, it could encourage other crypto companies to challenge SEC rulings, leading to a wave of legal battles aimed at defining clearer, more favorable regulatory frameworks. This could result in a more robust and mature crypto industry, with regulations that better align with the technological and economic realities of digital assets. A Ripple victory could also bolster investor confidence, potentially leading to increased market activity and higher valuations for other digital assets. It could pave the way for greater innovation and development within the blockchain space, as companies feel more secure in their legal standing and regulatory environment. Ripple's case could set a new standard for crypto regulation. Expert opinions and market reactions. Legal experts suggest this ruling could lead to more litigation as companies challenge federal agency interpretations. For Ripple and other crypto firms, this provides an opportunity to argue their cases more effectively in court. Since the ruling, XRP's price has surged, reflecting investor optimism and hope for clearer, more favorable regulations. Market analysts are predicting that if Ripple wins, it could trigger a bull run for XRP and potentially other cryptocurrencies as well. The decision has already sparked debates among legal scholars, policymakers, and industry leaders about the future of crypto regulation. Some experts believe that this ruling could lead to a more fragmented regulatory landscape, where courts in different jurisdictions might reach different conclusions about the status of various digital assets. This could create a patchwork of regulations that companies will need to navigate, potentially increasing legal and compliance costs. Others argue that this could be an opportunity for Congress to step in and provide more comprehensive and uniform regulations for the crypto industry. Ripple's journey is far from over. What's your take on this unfolding saga? How will this shape the future of crypto laws? The Supreme Court's decision to dismantle Chevron deference is a monumental shift with far-reaching implications. It could lead to a more balanced approach to crypto regulation, where courts play a more significant role in determining the status of digital assets. This might result in a more standardized and predictable regulatory environment, encouraging innovation and growth in the crypto sector. Companies may feel more confident in their legal standing, which could attract more institutional investment and public adoption of cryptocurrencies. The overall impact could be a more mature and well-regulated crypto market that fosters innovation while protecting investors. This ruling could also influence how other countries approach crypto regulation. As the U.S. is a major player in the global financial system, changes in its regulatory landscape often have ripple effects internationally. Countries looking to attract crypto businesses might adopt similar judicial oversight mechanisms, creating a more favorable environment for blockchain and crypto innovations globally. This ruling could be the beginning of a new era for the crypto industry. The ripple effects of this decision are just beginning. The Supreme Court's decision to dismantle Chevron deference is a monumental shift with far-reaching implications. For Ripple, this could mean a significant legal victory and a step towards regulatory clarity for the entire crypto industry. We will continue to monitor this situation closely and keep you updated on any further developments. This ruling not only impacts Ripple but sets a precedent that could shape the future of cryptocurrency regulation. It underscores the importance of having clear, fair, and independently adjudicated regulatory frameworks in an industry that is still in its formative stages. The decision might also encourage more proactive engagement between the crypto industry and regulators, fostering a more collaborative approach to developing sensible and effective regulations. By working together, both parties can ensure that regulations protect consumers and investors without stifling innovation and growth in the burgeoning digital asset space. Don't miss out on future updates. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Feel free to adjust the timing and content of each block to better fit your presentation style and pacing preferences.